Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the CPT UI plugin in WordPress. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins menu. Click Add New and search for CPT UI. This powerful plugin has over 1 million active installations, making it a popular choice. Install and then activate the plugin to begin creating custom content types and taxonomies for your website. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. Now, let's create your first custom post type. Head to CPT UI in your dashboard and select Add/Edit Post Types. You'll need to provide a unique slug, like books, along with a singular label, book, and a plural label, books. Remember to fill in all the required labels for a smooth user experience. Explore the settings to control visibility, archiving, and even choose a custom menu icon for easy identification within your admin panel. Next, we'll add custom taxonomies to categorize your new content. Go to CPT UI and choose Add/Edit Taxonomies. Similar to post types, you'll define a unique slug, such as genre, and provide singular and plural labels like genre and genres. Crucially, you must associate this taxonomy with your custom post type. For example, books. You can also decide if it should be hierarchical, like categories, or non-hierarchical, like tags, offering flexible organization. Finally, let's talk about displaying your custom content on the front end. WordPress uses a template hierarchy, so you'll typically create specific theme files, such as archive books, PHP for your book listings, and single book, PHP for individual book pages. This ensures your custom post types and taxonomies are presented beautifully. You can also leverage the block editor or shortcodes provided by other plugins to integrate this content seamlessly into your website's design, offering a rich user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.